This is day 14 of posting every single day until we reach a staggering 100K. We got a little baby deer running up the stream to find its mother. This is one of many, many, many different places we're going to be traveling along to on our year-long road trip in a van throughout the entirety of the US. If we hit 100,000 followers by the end of this year, just hit the follow button and I'll quit my job and travel the country. Look at him.
Look at that thing.
Comment down below what national park you guys want me to go visit.